Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be unboxing my Ipsy for the month of January. So I've opened up the package. I have not looked inside yet, but let's grab the bag and see what's up. Oh, I like it! It's cute! Aww. I like this bag. So I'm just gonna open it up, grab the card first. New year, more products, more focus on you. So that's the card, the theme for this month. Welcome to our best year yet. Ooh, sounds exciting. So I'm just gonna grab whatever product first, and I'm not gonna look in, I'm just gonna grab a random product and we'll see what it is. So first up is this Nude Glow Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. Oh, interesting. It's Glam Glow. I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty shiny. And I guess it's just a nude glow for your face. So that should be very interesting. It smells pretty good too. I don't know why I smell everything, but I do. Next, I'm just going to dip my hand in here and grab the next product. It's another tube. Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Flash Perfection Exfoliating Treatment. Mattify and invigorate. Okay, this is interesting. I love this product. This packaging. I haven't tried the product yet, so I don't know if I like the product, but definitely seems pretty cool. I'm just gonna throw everything on my bed and find it eventually. Next up we have the I Do liquid eyeliner from xoxo. That's where I draw the line. That's cute. So this is the liner. Ooh. Seems like it'd be really easy to draw eyeliner with. Of course I'm like shaky, but interesting. Once again, I don't know why I have to smell everything, but I do. So next up, I think I see a brush. Yes! Yes, queen! Okay. So this is from Luxy Beauty. And it's just like a small contour brush, and I love the handle. I don't know, you can see that dent, but like, damn, it is so soft, you guys. Oh, new favorite brush, question mark? I love it. So the last product is, oh wow, Prickly Pear. Lega, question mark? Is this like lip stuff? Oh my god, do you guys see how bright that looks? It's probably just like a gloss, yeah. It's just like a gloss, so it like doesn't really show up as opaque as that. But like, damn, that still has a lot of pigment. Wow. Wow. Just threw that back at myself. That is our 5 products for this month that I received. I'm not sure how I feel about this. I got like 2 skincare items, lip, eye, and then brush. Brush I will use. Brushes I always need. Eyeliner, I don't really use eyeliner that often. Lip gloss, same with that. Skincare I definitely use very, very often, so I will use that. This I'm not too sure about. So I guess I like 2 products out of the 5, which is not that good, but Ipsy did okay this month. So I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. But I absolutely love the bag, but I have like 100 bags, so I don't know. Thank you guys for watching. I post every Monday, Thursday, and Friday. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Stay strong. Mwah.